In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix hidden album not showing in iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, if your hidden album has completely disappeared from your Photos app, it's usually because a default iOS privacy setting has toggled the album's visibility to off or a temporary biometric authentication glitch. So what you want to do is open up your settings application, then go all the way to the bottom where it says apps, and then go over and find the Photos app, which is of course going to be on P, and then just go ahead and click on it. Now locate the show hidden album toggle switch. Once you see it, go ahead and if it's turned on, go ahead and turn it off and then wait 5 seconds, turn it on again. And of course, if it's off, just go ahead and turn it on. Now, whenever you go over to your Photos app, tap the Albums tab at the bottom and scroll all the way down to the Utilities header. The hidden folder will be cleanly restored to your interface grid. Now, what you could also do is refresh the Face ID or Touch ID security lock. So go back all the way to the bottom and then go over to Apps again and then go over to Photos. So we're just going to go over to the same section, or you can just stay in the section, of course. And then we're just going to look for a Use Face ID option. So where it says that, go ahead and turn it off. And then force close your Photos app by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and then tossing the app card away. Then return to the Photos menu setting area. Make sure Face ID is on now, so just turn it on again, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.